Okay, let me give you the quick breakdown on how the gloves work. As you can see, they fit real snug to your finger. Just like this, okay? So you get the strap. You have the sticky material is covered all through the glove to provide ultimate grip. Okay, so with one simple hold down of the button, the gloves are activated. On high heat, red is high heat, orange is medium, and green is low. On high heat, it's up to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. Me personally, it's way too hot to keep on for more than 3 or 4 minutes, even in extremely cold temperatures. What I would do is keep it on high for maybe 5 minutes, then turn it to low. Your hands just instantly heat up through here, so you just simply hold it down like this to turn it off, and the heat is still trapped. Another 5 minutes pass, you want to turn it back on. My point being, it's very easy to turn this on and off.